Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. Now yesterday Uncle mentioned that the Bulls have a chance for more upside. The reason I said that is because based on the technical setups, okay? SPY recaptured the 200-week moving average. That was a false breakdown setup. You can also see based on this green line right here, that comes from the June low around 362-ish. And SPY recaptured that as well. So we had a couple of false breakdown setups based on a couple of critical levels. That's why I said, SPY, the Bulls had a chance for more upside. Keep in mind, there was no way that we could have known or Uncle could have known what happened today would have happened. Okay, we had a gap up and it continued pushing upwards towards the end of the day. Okay, that's not a prediction, guys. I did not know that was going to happen. All right, I'm just reporting the price action. Please stop. Please don't shoot the messenger. All right. So, yeah, you can see here, we cleared this 373 level. That was based on the falling wedge. I gave you guys that level, 373. If it could cleared, we had the 374.67 level. That's based on the 23.6 retracement level. I have some new fib levels from the August high down to the September 30th low. That's the 23.6 retracement level. Okay. So, it's very similar to when SPY was, breaking down critical support levels. I said, we got to wait for the proper setup before we should buy calls. Okay. The strategies aren't 100%, but it's better than trying to call a bottom. You know what I mean? So it's the same concept here for bearish setups. We just got to not call a top and wait for like a false breakout setup, okay? So in this case, the critical level that SPY cleared today was that 374.6 level, all right? It also, it closed at 377.95, so it also cleared that 377 level that I had. And this happened last minute at the end of the day, okay? Keep in mind, you see this wick. That wick is a glitch. I'm not sure why they're glitching. But the low of today was not 366.57. Intraday, at least, it was not. Okay, so that's a glitch. It's really a gap there. Big gap. Okay, so my advice is to look for puts when we got a false breakout setup. Okay, that means a level that was cleared that is now support needs to fail. So 374.67 fails, I would look for puts. Okay, as long as that level holds, though, Bulls still have a shot at more upside. Okay, I know a lot of people not gonna like hearing that, but it's unbiased technical analysis, guys. What do you want me to say? You want me to lie to you? You know what I mean? So as long as 374.67 holds, Bulls got a shot. Okay, if they cleared 377 today, but now they're gonna have to hold 377. That's support. The next critical level is 380. Okay, for two reasons. One, it is the 38.2 retracement level from the March 2020 low, okay, up to the January 2022 high, okay, up there. And it's also a resistant based on this falling wedge pattern, okay? So, guys, above 380 would be pretty bullish. So, bears need to step up and show some reaction, preferably a hot stove rejection. Just knock it down. Pimp smack that price level right back down. Break through the support. All right, but all I'm saying as traders, we gotta do our best. At least I try to do my best to just follow the price action. Okay, if you guys ever seen that movie Friday, the price action is like Debo. Okay, Debo gonna do what Debo's gonna do. Okay, if he breaks a resistant, he's gonna break a resistant. I'm gonna follow him. If he breaks a support, he breaks a support. I'm gonna follow him. I'm not gonna tell Debo what to do. That's what the price action is. Can't tell the price action what to do. All right, we just got to do our best to follow it, know the levels, know the setup, and just trade it unbiasedly. So like I said, puts, if 374.67 fails, to play the false breakout setup to possibly trigger more downside, 373-ish. Got the multi-year trend line. We cleared the multi-year trend line as well today, okay? That support's around 370 on that right now, okay? So below 374.6, that puts those support levels in play, all right? And if 370 fails, that would be very, very bearish because that will be a false recapture of, once again, the multi-year trend line. And I'll probably favor a lower low than the 357. Probably go down even lower than that on the next leg down, okay? But all I'm saying is don't try to call a top. It's just a relief rally. Uncle's not saying the bull market is back. It's just a relief rally as far as I'm seeing, all right? We just got to get that false breakout, the loss of a support level. Get that right setup before we try to bet to the downside. Right now, bulls are just clearing these resistance, all right? So yeah, above 380, I got 382, 385.5. That's a 38.2 retracement level. I also got a level around 388.5. That's a previous pivot low over here. And above that is 394-ish. Actually, above 388.5 is 390. What's this level here? Yep, 392 and then 394-ish. That's the 50% retracement level, 394.39. Okay, guys, just let the price action guide you. Don't let your emotions guide you. That's all I'm saying. Definitely pay attention to Triple Q as well. I got a breakout, guys. Triple Q's in breakout mode from this down channel that I got here, okay? But it did reject some. It did reject some at this resistance level that I got at 388. That's the 23.6 retracement level from August high down to September 30th low. Okay, so to be bullish, Triple Q need to continue the momentum and clear 383 to trigger more upside up to It needs to clear 283, all right, to trigger more upside, to put 285.7 in play, probably 288 and then 291, all right? But if it cannot clear 283, all right, I have a support here based on this down channel, all right, around 279.5-ish. If Triple Q breaks below 279.5-ish, that's a false breakout, guys. False breakout would be very bearish. That will put 276 in play. Below 276 is very bearish because that's the 50% retracement level from December 2018 low to November 2021 high, okay? And if 276 fail, I'm favoring we go to a new low. The last low, September 30th, was around 267. I'm favoring we drop even lower than that, with my ultimate target being around 262 to 263 zone, okay? But we do have some support level around 272.4, 269.5, and 267 as well. Okay, guys? And then last but not least, Tesla managed to hold above that 248 level, okay? So that is a recapture. It is a red candle. Overall choppy day, but I just need to see that loss of 248 to trigger more downside. We could just be chopping and basing, to build strength for more downside. I am overall bearish on Tesla. I need to see Tesla clear some resistance, starting with 256. That's a very critical level based on my 23.6 retracement level. If it can clear that, 258.8-ish in play, 260.7, got a level here around 265.7 and then 269-ish, okay? But if it cannot clear that, any resisted level, especially that 256 level, I can't get too bullish on Tesla, especially if 248 fails. Very bearish. 243.5, 237, and 230 is in play if that level fails. Okay, guys, let's end this with the option flow. This is SPY. Taking a look here, and there's still big orders coming in, very bearish big orders, bets to the downside. These are November 18 puts. This is October 21 puts again, but the strike's not as low. I saw a lot of 343-ish strike. This one is 358, but still overall, still seeing big money betting to the downside still, guys. Okay, Triple Q, and this is Triple Q. Look at that. Actually, Triple Q, that's amazing. Triple Q is actually bullish. Filtered for 500K premium, so we're seeing some big money betting to the upside. 9.1 million premium right here, and over 19,000 in size. 292 strike. Okay, October 31st, Halloween expiration date right there. Okay, so that's interesting, guys. Got to keep that in mind, all right? Don't shoot the messenger. Tesla overall bearish. All right, still big money, still overall bearish on Tesla. Okay, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If you want more content from Uncle Charles, please consider joining my Substack, because just in case the aftermarket analysis is not enough, my Substack will give you my morning analysis, my morning plans and levels. But if you want the most content from Uncle Charles, please consider joining my Discord. All right, guys. Thank you. Peace.